Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine, students. Good. We are in the third lesson, isn't it? Partnership forms accounts. Here we have completed one method of maintaining capital accounts of partners. That is fixed capital method. The next method is, the second method is the fluctuating capital method. Okay, in the fixed capital method, there are two accounts. One is capital account, the other one is the current account. But in the fluctuating capital method, we have to prepare only one account, that is partners capital account only. Okay, by partners capital account. So here all the adjustments will be only in the capital account. Okay, it will be debited. It will be debited with what? The drawings and interest on drawings and share of loss. If there is loss, that is share of loss also will be entered. Only three items. All the other adjustments will be credited in the partner's capital account. We know that interest on capital, any additional capital. Okay. Then salary of partners, then commission of partners, then share of profit. Share of profit. Everything will be in the posted in the credit side of the capital partners capital account. Okay, always it will have credit balance only. But there we have studied the current account will have either debit balance or credit balance, but in the fluctuating capital method we will have only credit balance. Okay. Shall we see one of the illustration? Illustration 4. Okay. From the following information, prepare capital accounts of partners Mannan and Sevagan when their capitals are fluctuating. Okay. Particulars: Mannan, Sevagan. Opening capital, drawings, interest on drawings, share of profit, interest on capital, salary, commission. Partners capital account. Drawings, interest on drawings, then balance carrying on. This one last it will appear. Okay, first we have to write the opening balance. Credit balance given, so credit side by balance brought down. The drawings will appear on the debit side. Interest on drawings also debit side. Then share of profit, credit side we should write as profit and loss appropriation account. Then interest on capital, by interest on capital, by salary, by commission. Okay, then we have to find out the difference we will get on the debit side, then the credit side balance. Okay, so let us do the fifth exercise. Sorry, not fifth exercise, fourth exercise. Okay. From the following information, prepare capital accounts of partners Padmini and Padma when their capitals are fluctuating. Both the partners, then opening capital, drawings, interest on drawings, share of profit, interest on capital, salary, commission. Okay, shall we do this one? Use both the pages. Okay, both the pages you have to use. Capital accounts. First you should write the number. Okay, 4. Capital accounts. Here, 2 amount column we have to draw. Okay, 1, 2. Then for the date. Okay, 3 columns. Here partner's name Padmini and Padma. Date, particulars. First one, capital on 1st January 2018. So here we should write the date. Okay, 2018 January 1. Okay, by balance brought down. Opening balance will be written as balance brought down. 5 lakh, 4 lakh. Then drawings. Drawings will be written on the debit side. Okay. No date is given, so don't write. Only write the year, 18. Okay. 2 drawings. 70,000, 40,000. Then interest on drawings also debit side. Interest on drawings. 2,000, 1,000. 2,000 you have to write as per the place value. Okay. Then 1,000 here. 1. Then 30. Then share of profit. We have to write on the credit side by profit and loss appropriation account. Both the column we have to write the amount 52,000, 40,000. Then interest on capital here on the credit side by interest on capital. $30,000, 24,000. 24,000. Salary by salary. We have studied only drawings and interest on drawings. Then share of loss on the debit side, all the other items on the credit side. Okay, so salary 45,000. This is for only one partner. The next partner, Padma, no salary. Then commission by commission. Commission also only one partner, Padma alone, 21,000. So this credit side will be more, so we will close it. Okay, debit side only we will get balance. Here add and write. Okay, 0, 0, 3 0, then fourth digit 5, fifth digit 2, 4, 8, then sixth one 4. 4,85,000. Here 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 2, 7. Here 7 plus 5, 12. Balance 1, 6. 6,27,000. Here 4,85,000. Now we should write the balance. Okay, as to balance carried on. the last date we should write. Okay, so December 2000, sorry, December, the same year only, 31. Okay, to balance, carry down, we will balance and find out. Okay, see, this one we will 0 0 0, here 1, so plus 4 5, then here 8, here 4, so to get 8 we have to write 4. Okay, then here 4 lakh 44,000, then here 0 0 0, then here 2, so 5 7, then here 7 plus 5 12, balance 1 5 lakh 55,000. Okay, the same amount will be written as opening balance. Okay, next year 2019 January 1, buy balance brought down 5 lakh 55,000, 4 lakh 44,000. Okay, so one problem over. Okay, then the next heading only we have to learn. Before that, we will learn the differences between the fixed capital method and the fluctuating capital method. We have learned two methods and problems also we have done. Okay, now we will see the differences between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Okay, here first one, fixed capital method, here fluctuating. All easy differences only, but it will be very important, you have to learn. Okay, first one, number of accounts, main thing. Okay, here in the fixed capital method, how many number of accounts we prepare? 2. What are they? One is capital accounts, the other one is current account. Okay, but here only one account is maintained, that is capital account of all the partners. Here all the partners only. Okay, then second difference, change in capital. Here in the fixed capital method, the amount of capital usually it will not change. Okay, no change. But if there is additional capital, okay, if there is additional capital and permanent withdrawn, then there will be a little change in the capital. Otherwise, normally the capital will not change. But here the capital will fluctuate. It always changes. This year capital balance and next year capital balance will be changing. But here in the fixed capital method, if there is no additional capital and no permanent withdrawal, the capital will be same. Okay, throughout the years, many years it will be same. Then third difference, the closing balance of accounts. Okay, here in the fixed capital method, that closing capital, it will be always in the capital account. Okay, it will be always credit balance. Okay, closing balance of the capital account under fixed capital method. But here we prepare two accounts. The under current account, either it will be debit or it will be credit balance. Both, either credit or debit balances will be there. Okay, But in the fluctuating capital method, the capital balance will be always credit balance. Okay, it shows always credit balance. But here in the fixed capital method, the capital balance will be always credit. But current account balance, either it will be debit balance or credit balance. Okay. Then the fourth one, the adjustments. What are the adjustments will be entered? Here in the capital, what we write, what are the adjustments we do? In the fixed capital method, that in the current account, in the fixed capital method, two account we prepare, isn't it? Capital account we will enter the additional capital, then the permanent withdrawal, isn't it? But in the current account we make all the adjustments. What? Interest on capital, okay, then interest on drawings, then salary, then commission, everything will be adjusted in the current account. But here in the fluctuating capital method, all these adjustments, all adjustments will appear in the capital accounts. Okay, all the adjustments will be made in the capital accounts, but here two adjustments will be there in the capital account. Remaining adjustments will be made in the current accounts. Okay. So here you have to do and see that fourth problem, fluctuating capital method, and you have to study the differences between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Okay, fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. This will be your homework. Question answer, differences between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. And fluctuating capital method. Then the exercise. Okay, illustration 4 and exercise 4. Okay. Illustration page number 90. Exercise page number 113. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, please do and learn this question answer. Okay students, thank you very much.